4 is going to 8. You got 8, this 4-digit number. This one is nothing, 0. Him and this one, these two color, 0, 0. Not functioning. Not functioning. This one is 0. I have this one. These two you are seeing now is open and close. Open and close. That is these two, white and black, open and close. And I have these two again. In again is trafficators. One side trafficator, driver side trafficator, and passenger side trafficator. That is this brand. You are looking at this brand. This green you are seeing here is going to current. This green is going to current. Green is current. This blue and black. You can see the design, blue and black. It's empty. This blue and black is nothing. It's empty. This one should neither be on. You can connect it to on. This one is plain blue. Plain blue. You can see no black on the side. No black. Plain blue, no black. No black. Plain blue. This one is door switch. Door switch. For security purpose, door switch. You can see this yellow, this thick yellow, this thick yellow like this is for starting. This thick yellow is for starting. It's for starting. To start the key. This brown and black, brown and black, brown and black. Is brake switch. Is brake switch, and you must connect this brown and black brake switch to correspond the off and the starting button. This plain blue, thick plain blue, thick one is ACC. Then this white, this thick white is ignition. This thick white is ignition. I have this one, this thick brown is also ignition. This thick brown is also ignition. That is all for the connection.